Okay, I'm going to delete the bottom two lines, the bottom two few rects, and I'm going to take just the top few rect and put it in for loop. Again, I will need a special variable to count the steps that I've made, and I can call it index stair, meaning that I will count how much stairs I've drawn so far. And index stair can start from 0 and can increase while I still have space on the playing field. So I wonder how many stairs I can fit in the playing field. If they are 100 pixels apart, I will be able to use 600 pixels height of the canvas for 6 stairs. So index stairs will get bigger while it's less than 6. On each such step it will increase by 1. And I already know how to choose Y for this stair. I can write 100 multiplied by index stair. Let's see what I got. I got a mistake. Interesting. I wasn't expecting this. Let's see what my mistake is. I'm pressing F12 to see the console. I have something bad on the left hand side of equal sign, and really there is some mistake on this line 10. I should really be careful on such big lines, because I can think that there is something wrong here. Is there something wrong here? There is an equal sign, but on the left hand side of it there is a nice variable. Also, this is an equal sign, and on its left side there is again something nice. Is there another equal sign with something horrible around it? Oh, this should not be an equal sign. This should be a minus sign. This was an interesting mistake, and I did not do it on purpose this time. It was a honest mistake, but you can also make such mistakes, and you should be happy to fix them yourself without any panic. Now that I've refreshed, for some reason the browser is really slow. Apparently it has to download a lot of stuff. Wait, those files are on my computer. There is nothing to download now. Is there some other mistake? Well, this is the behavior we will get when we have endless loops. Those are the loops that have a condition which is always true. Such a loop will execute and then execute once more and then execute again. And I think that my condition is fine. What's wrong with this condition? I want index stair to start from 0 and increase until it's smaller than 6. Well, apparently it's always smaller than 6, because this step that I've written here has one more hidden mistake, and it's a mistake that I've did just again when I was fixing my previous mistake. What should this sign be actually be? Please help me, because perhaps I'm getting crazy. Well, if I want index stair to increase by 1, this sign should be plus. Let's see what is going on now. Whoa! I got 6 stairs, but they're all equal width. I'm not happy with them, but that's exactly what I deserved, because all of their width is always 90. I can write a simple multiplication here too. For example, index stair to be multiplied by 90. And what is going to happen is pretty similar to what I expected. But there is one problem. There is no top stair, and actually the difference between the stairs widths is not 100 but 90 pixels. You can check this by making a screenshot of the browser, and you can see the difference between the sizes in Paint. Or just believe me, we are multiplying index stair by 90, so we will get differences of 90 pixels. Try to think of a nice way to fix this, and when you are ready, I have much more horrible task for you. Can you make a stair just like this one? I'm really not pretty sure what exactly stairs I want you to do. Perhaps the top stair can be just a single square like this, or it can be much bigger, as I showed you in the beginning, so that it's 2 squares. I don't care. Perhaps those are 2 tasks that you can do one after another, but if you are able to do one of them, you can just be fine for now. Fix my code here so that I can have a top stair, and then start creating 2 sides stairs just like this. Come on.